I call it the Templeton Murphy bed with the 4-door section on the front. But this is a king size, so it takes a standard 76 by 80 mattress. It's a very heavy front, but you'll see in just a minute how it's very easy to operate, even with the added weight of the desk on the front. But this desk is a 28-inch deep desk, 6 inches deeper than my standard 22-inch desk. But on this particular one, we added a corner bookcase over here with adjustable shelves. On this side, we put another bookcase with double doors in the midsection. Have a pull-out drink tray, which can actually use as an extension to the work surface of the desk. And then the drawers on the bottom have hanging file folders in them. But to operate it, you can leave everything on the desk as long as it's 8.5 inches or lower. So a laptop like this would have to shut. Just pull it open. And as you can see, very easy, very lightweight to operate, even with the king size. Take it down to the ground. We have a 3-stage touch dimmer over here for the lights. You can use these lights with both the desk section or the bed section. But to close it, you do just the same thing, but in reverse. Lift it up, rotate the leg, and close it up. And there you have it, the king size Templeton Murphy bed from WWBeds.
Make the best bunk beds and the best Murphy beds, but we combined both of these into a bunk bed Murphy bed. And basically what I did is I took 2 twin-size Murphy beds in the horizontal position and built them on top of each other. I connected them with a cantilever system that's molding here, which allows both Murphy beds to open at the same time and stay level with each other as it opens. And it makes it a lot easier to open and close. What it is on the face here is the Templeton face, is a Craftsman or a Mission style face to it. But to operate it, let me just show you how that works. It's real easy to do. Just pull on the handles here. It's very lightweight, very easy to open up. You notice both of them open up at the same time with this molding that breaks here. Take it all the way to the ground. You need to add the ladder, and the ladder will just clip on to the side here. And you can really have the ladder on either side if you like. Then you add the guardrail. And there you have the Murphy bed. And we also added a bookcase to the side here. This is a 27-inch bookcase. It kind of completes the corner. It's also a great place for them to put their drinks or reading material, things like that. Let me show you how it goes back up. Same way, but in reverse order. Take the guardrail off. Take the ladder off. And simply close it up sideways instead of the normal vertical orientation. This one we put the barn door face on this. We took the 2 doors at the top here, made them look like barn doors. We did a light distressing, and then we finished it up in white. Now, one of the unique things about this is the stay level vanity. Now, you've seen the stay level desk where the desk will stay level. You don't have to clear it off as it transitions into the bed. But we did something a little bit different on this. We put some drawers on either end. We also put a lift up vanity, so you have a place to get ready in the morning. But to operate the bed, you just pull on the handles here. This is very easy, very lightweight to open up. You'll notice the lights will come on automatically. The drawers are still accessed as the bed is being used. The lights are controlled by the 3-stage touch dimmer in the middle here, so you have low, medium, high, and then off again. And then the lights also shut off when it's in the closed position. But when you're done in the morning and you want to get ready for school or work, just lift up the bed, use your vanity, and there you have it. This is the barn door from the New Yorker, and this New Yorker is characterized by the arrangement of this picture frame molding on the face of the Murphy bed. Normally our New Yorker has a desk that folds out of the center section here. Well, this customer didn't have a need for that desk, but they liked the overall look, so we went ahead and built this one for them anyway. But this is a king size. You don't normally see a Murphy bed in a king size. It will take a standard 76 by 80 mattress, and you'll see in a minute how it's still easy to open up, really lightweight. We custom built the width of the bookcases to be more of a built-in. The customer had a little over 110 inches to work with. So what we did is we put a scribe molding on the side of the bookcase, and what this did was allow the overall width to get real close to their wall, and then we'll trim out with some trim later on, or the customer will trim out with some trim later on. We also adjusted the height. If you notice, the header is a little bit taller than our normal look. We went ahead and extended this to a full 94 inches tall, and they will close this out with crown molding at the top. But inside the bookcase, we put LED lights. We did a little touch sensor in the back here, so you have low, medium, high, and then off on the touch sensor. And the lights are also on the inside. You'll see them automatically come on, which is a safety feature. it automatically shuts off in the closed position. If you notice, it's counterbalanced, very easy to operate, very lightweight. And the lights are controlled by a touch sensor in the center of the headboard. So again, you have the low, medium, high, and then off again on that. And to close it up, you do the same thing in reverse. Well, let me show you about the drink trays. The drink trays on the side here, perfect for your guest. And to close it up, you do the same thing in reverse. Rotate the leg. And there you have it. The New Yorker Murphy bed. These are 6 bookcases with about 36 shelves. And what we've done different on this one is behind the 4 center bookcases, we put a Murphy bed. Now most of our Murphy beds are what they call panel beds, where the face comes down with the bed. Can't do that on a bookcase, of course, because everything would fall off. Another system is where you have the door system that pivots out of the way. Well, the problem with the door system normally is, on a floor queen, it's about 30 inches wide on the center. So when you pivot around, you have 30 inches on each side. So you take up a lot of space on the door systems. But on this bookcase one, we solved that problem and also solved the problem of the bookcases facing the wrong direction by splitting the bookcase in half. And let me show you how that works. Basically, you open it up, it breaks in half, and the bookcase is still facing forward. Same thing on this one. And that reveals the Murphy bed behind here. Well, you pull on the leg here, and the leg, as it gets closer, comes down 90 degrees to the floor. And you have your bed, your sleeping surface. Your bookcases are still accessible on either side. To regain your space back, just pick it up, close it back. Close your bookcases. And notice everything's it's the smooth ride, so everything stays on there and doesn't fall over. That's just completed. Let me show you how it works. Basically, you unlatch it, bring it down to the ground, and there you have your work surface. Put your computer up here, all the stuff you need to do your work. When you need the space back, just clear everything back off, lift it back up, latch it back. I have plexiglass center here, so you can put a poster or some kind of photograph in there if you'd like. And also installation is very easy. I use a French cleat system. Let me show you how that works. If you look at the back, I put a 45-degree cleat on it. You mount the same cleats to the wall, and it just you just hang it on there and latch it back.
We would like to introduce you to Köllen Bookshelf, designed to challenge the traditional bookshelf. Köllen is a piece of interactive furniture that can be modified in order to fit different types of objects. This is accomplished through a modular system that allows the user to pull down each of its pieces. Thus, it offers multifunctional shelves and a decorative exclusive piece of furniture at the same time. We are a group of 4 students of industrial design, tired that our university projects remain stagnant into simple ideas. Köllen emerges from a proposal of furniture made to be presented at an international fair of furniture design, the Nude Congress. Its success at the fair and in various publications encouraged us to open a crowdfunding campaign to meet the cost of the first production. The campaign ended up doubling its initial goal. Now we are opening a Kickstarter campaign to make a second series of production and create a collection around it, thus expanding our projects from Barcelona to the world. Besides the original concept, we have also put our minds in designing several decorative items just to offer special rewards for Kickstarter backers. Help us make the campaign larger and make a style out of Köllen collection.